Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to plan for the week of June 17th to the 23rd, and I get to use this beautiful sticker sheet from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. It's part of her luxury advent calendar where you get a sticker sheet for every month of the year. And I love it because it's like unpacking a Christmas present every single month. So let's get started. So this week is quite a different week for me because I am on vacation all week. It's weird because I'm on vacation, but I'm not going back to my old job. This is the last week technically that I'm working for Weight Watchers, but I am on vacation and then I start my new job next week on the 24th. So very exciting. I love these camping stickers. I wish I was going camping actually sometime soon, but I am not. So I will make the most of Jojo's stickers here. And I love that jacket and the boots, but I'm like, where do I put this? I can put this here. Oh, I love the colors. The colors are so cool. And then I can put the rest of these on top. So let's put that here for June. Then I was gonna bring in some of this washi, which I wanted to put here, but I think it'll be okay if I actually put this here because I'm going to put the habit tracker on that side of the page rather than on this side. So but yeah, this week I'm kind of a woman of leisure. I needed I guess the time off before I started my new job, and this week gives me a chance to just really relax, but also just take stock of, you know, everything that's happening. Like I was with Weight Watchers for almost 9 years, which is a huge chunk of my working life. And it'll definitely be interesting not going back there day after day. So I'm gonna put this backpack right over here covering the calendar, which I'm okay with because I mean, I know what day of the week it is. And then I'm gonna put this clip over it to hold down the pencil board. And unfortunately, I do not know where this clip is from. That one was sent to me by a friend. And I know there's a lot of you who've asked about it, and I apologize. I do not know where it is from. So let's place, I think, the fire here. And the lantern right next to it, and then the jacket and boots and all that over here. And I'm just thinking, do I have any appointments that early? No, but I will be logging my workout. Well, I can log my workouts on the side here. I don't necessarily need to put it here. So that's, I guess, okay. Yeah, just put the sticker down. Then the boots will go over here. And then lastly, oh, that was Lucy underneath here. So, actually I don't have any appointments until 10, so that will work. Just put it down. Okay. I know those stickers are large and I do take up quite a bit of the space, but I'm okay with that because normally before 8 o'clock, the only thing that is really happening is my workouts, and I can keep track of them over here too. So sticker sheet finished. And what I like doing, the back of the sticker sheets that I do finish, is writing the date. It is June 17th. And I keep track of all the sticker sheets that I have used to kind of help me curb buying so many. Okay, so the pens that I will be using, my TWSBI Eco, my cream rose gold, and this has diamond sepia in it. And then my Franklin Christoph, this was my celebratory new job pen, and this has Warangol Persephone in it, which goes really well with the purple, the hints of purple that are in here. So sorry, my jacket keeps going on the table. So on the side here, I will keep track of my sleep score. And I just came back. Oh, that is a 5, not a 4. 4, 3. I just came back from a weekend away in Kelowna, and I slept very well while I was there. Sometimes it can be iffy being on vacation, whether or not I sleep well. But this vacation I did. I made sure to listen to my body. If my body was tired, I made sure to go to bed and not try to stress myself out too much. But now back at home, it's back to routine and getting the kids up and ready. But I am grateful that I am not working this week, so I can just take some time to relax. Okay. And it's like, now that I've done that, like, what am I going to fill in here other than work? There are a few things that do need to be done this week, and I need to, I'm trying to think. Okay, I know for a fact, and I think most of you know too, that we put out the garbage bins on Tuesday evenings. Let's grab my sticker album from According to Allie with all the emoji stickers. So is there a garbage one? I don't think there is anymore. I have to go into my mini icons. There we go. And there we go. My mini icons. And I love these because they fit within the hourly boxes of the sterling ink and even Hobonichi. But actually, if we go back to Monday, because it is almost 2 o'clock on Monday, I can already start to fill in what I've done in here. So for example, I did my stepper workout this morning, and then when I finally got to it, I worked on some orders, and then let's see here, let's put this here and write down, oh, that's crooked, but I love the way that silhouette machine looks. Orders. And then underneath that, I am going to put down, let's see, where is my YouTube sticker? I normally have a YouTube sticker, television. I have lots of television stickers. Going through all of these. Now, I will go into my other emojis here. So I'm working on filming a few things, filming my A5 plan with me, which is what I'm currently doing. Then I'm also going to be filming a few things for 30 Inks 30 days. So let's put that down here. And then to film, I've got the A5 plan with me. And then I need to do days, really days 13 to 7, no, to 20 for 30 inks. And those are the things I need to film. I do need to, I'm gonna write down a to-do here. Need to go to the post office to drop off the orders. I need to fold laundry. And I also need to meal plan and order groceries. We just picked up groceries yesterday when we got back, and it already feels like I'm ordering them again. Okay. Then Tuesday, my plan is actually tomorrow to have some editing that I will definitely need to be doing, and painting. So starting the painting for my July releases. I'm starting them early because I want to get a good handle on them before my new job starts. Then Wednesday, leaving open for the day. I'm actually going to, down here, put in my habit tracker. So we'll write habits. And then the habits that I need are my audiobook. Then read 10 to 15 pages, and then meditate. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then Wednesday, no plans as of yet, but I know Thursday, I can pull this out. Here we go. Actually, I can pull that whole section out. Thursday, I have a massage. So let's find my, it's supposed to be, oh, there it is, right at the back. It's supposed to be chiropractor, but close enough. So my massage, yep. And I am so grateful for 90-minute massages. And then that evening is actually something out of the norm because Thursday evenings are normally quiet nights in, but my mom has her, I guess, cousin coming in from out of town, so we are all getting together for dinner. Let's see. Gosh, I'm gonna have a whole host of stickers to clean up. I'm gonna just put, what, no, here we go. It looks like a coffee date, but it's more family dinner. Yeah, so I'll just do that, which means I can probably pick up the groceries in the afternoon myself. Family dinner at my parents' house, Mama and Papa's. Then Friday, I have, gosh, can you see the mess on my desk? Yes. Yeah, it piles up quickly when you're planning. Okay. It would help if I organized these better, hey? Then, oh, there's the weighing scale. So then 10 o'clock, going to weigh in. Oops, weigh in. And then after that, I have brunch with a friend. Where's my meal sticker? Oh, there it is. The fork, knife, and spoon on the white matte sticker paper. Put that here. Normally brunch with Mavis can last like hours, which I love. Brunch with Mavis. Okay, and then I will be picking the kids up from school. Gosh, it's the last Friday. I will be picking them up from school because it's their last full week of school, and then their last day is next Wednesday. It's crazy. And then make sure I'm picking up the right pen. Pick up kids and take them to bubble tea or wherever they decide. Okay, so that is Friday. Saturday, I have way too many stickers out. Yeah, way too many stickers out. And not sure of the ones that I need. Oh, yes. See, I find those too big. So I need like nail stickers, nail polish stickers that are smaller. But all I have are, I mean, I have facial stickers, which are lovely, but I need smaller stickers for nail appointment. All right, I found it. The nails mini icon, again, available in my shop. So I have a nail appointment at 10. And then I believe I am meeting friends after, but Adrian, you correct me on time and place. I am going to visualize this and make this happen. We are putting a coffee sticker down at like, let's say 12. And meet with Adrian and Deb. Not sure where or time, but we're meeting. Then no plans in the evening. Then that morning, I need to figure out when I'm going to clean the bathrooms, which might be possibly first thing on, when am I going to clean the bathrooms? Might have to be Saturday morning. Yeah, probably Saturday morning. Where's my cleaning? This is me trying to sort my life out. So let's put this here. Put that here and hope that all goes well. Because while I'm at my manicure, Rob and the kids are gonna do whatever cleaning they can. Clean bathrooms. Then Sunday morning, I am meeting my friend Amanda for breakfast at 8. Oops. And if I'm right, we are still meeting at our usual place. So, breakfast. This is a very social week for me. And then the kids' usual activities. So, Henry with his ninja. Whoops. And then Robin with her, 11:30, 1 o'clock, H at, oh no, it's R. Oh my gosh, Arch at bad. R at bad. Anyway, all right, let's clean up here. So there is the whole weekly spread all done. I actually really like the colors of ink that I chose for this week. I really love that Wearing Gold Persephone. Really pretty purple. That's a little understated, but matches with the purple that's in the stickers. All right, but that is it for me. Sorry about the all over the place, but this week kind of is all over the place. There isn't much structure to it because it's my vacation. All right, but that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.